Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to update Telegram application on iPhone. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, please let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the Apple Store on your iPhone or iPad. Write Telegram and find the Telegram Messenger app. Then it says Open. It might say Update. If it says Open, it means that our Telegram Messenger is updated to the latest version. And if it says Update, it means that you need to click and update it, after all, to the latest version. This method also works, by the way. You can go to the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Open the General tab, iPhone Storage, find Telegram. After pressing this button, unload the application. By doing this, we will clear the cache, which you can see here. I have 9 GB. That is the first thing. We will clear the memory. The second thing, we will be able to delete the application again, download without losing data. But the most important thing is that this process will update our application to the latest version of the application. That's how simple and easy it is to update the Telegram application on iPhone or iPad. Let me know if my solution helped you. Did you manage to do so? If you have any questions, report below in the comments. I will read and answer. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.